Hello guys, welcome to my channel at Eazy Surveys, where I make survey practices easier and educative. Here in this video, I want to show everyone on how to convert AutoCAD DWG file to the Google Earth KML format. So I'm just going to open my AutoCAD drawing. So this is the drawing I want to convert to KML. So this is a DWG drawing. So I'm going to be converting this DWG file to KML by using the Lisp method. Alright, so when you open your AutoCAD drawing in your work environment, as you are seeing on the screen, the next thing to do is to go and upload the Lisp file by coming to your command line and typing app, and you click on enter. So you are going to then navigate to where the Lisp file is under your own desktop. Alright, so here it is under my YouTube folder. So you can see DWG to KML. So you click on the Lisp file, then it's going to appear here. When it appears here, you click on load. However, if you are in need of this Lisp file, please check under the video description to download freely. So you click on load, then when you see this option, you click on always load. Then you are going to see it successfully loaded. Then you click on close. After that, you come to your command line, then you type the command for the Lisp file, IRT. Then you click on enter. Then you are going to see this prompt. Alright, make sure your territory is on Word. Alright, if you are in other part of the world like the USA, you can scroll down and choose USA, United States. Alright, so you can scroll up and look for the United States, so you can see it here. Then you can come to the coordinate system of your region under the United States. Okay, however, in the course of this video, I'll be leaving it as Word, because this drawing, the DWG drawing, was actually drawn on the WGS84 reference system. So if yours is on WGS84 as well, you make sure the word is clicked on as the territory. Then you come to the coordinate system, then you scroll down to the zone of interest. So like I said earlier, the drawing was on WGS84, then the zone is on UTM zone 32. So you click on the zone of interest. However, if yours is on the local system, you need to project your drawing to the WGS84 reference system. You can check under the comment section for the video to do that. Thank you. So when you click on the zone of interest, you scroll down to the map type, then you click on the drop down shadow arrow. Alright, so if yours is on any other thing, you can just scroll up, you navigate up, you come to local files here, then you can see KML, then you click on exports. Alright, please watch carefully and follow the procedure carefully so that you can achieve the same results as mine. So when you click on export, you scroll down. If yours is not showing any folder here, if it is empty, you click on this box here. Then you choose the folder where you want your converted KML file to be saved under. So I want it to be saved under my folder and under my YouTube folder. Then you click on OK. So you can see it is under my YouTube folder. Then now you click on OK. Then you are going to see the prompt to select objects. Then you are to highlight the drawing of interest. So you don't need to highlight all the frame, just the drawing. Alright, so the Lisp file reads only the vector format of your drawing, so you are going to highlight it just the way you are seeing on the screen. So you highlight all the drawing. So when you are done highlighting, you can see, then you left click, alright, to click on enter. So you are successfully highlighted all the drawing of interest. So this is my topo drawing, so I just want to convert it to KML to see how it falls on Google Earth. Alright, when you are done highlighting, as you can see, okay, you click on enter on your keyboard. Then you are going to save the file. So I'm just going to call this new YouTube. Okay, so you can see the save as type is KML, so new YouTube. All right, then you click on note the folder where it is going under. All right, then you click on save. So you are going to see this option, open file. So you click on no. So you can minimize your AutoCAD work environment. Then you come under the folder where you have your KML converted file. All right, so I saved as new YouTube, just like what you can see. Okay, so you make sure your system is connected to an active internet. So you now come to the file, the KML file. You can see on the screen, new YouTube. So you go to your own file as well, then you double click on it. So here you can just click on close. You are going to see it launching you directly to the KML file of the DWG AutoCAD. So here it is. So this is a school, and it is actually all well aligned. So you can see, just like what you can see on the AutoCAD drawing. So this is the access road linking to the school. All right, so you can see the buildings. This is SS3 class block. This is the building here. So if you check here, you can see the SS3 class block here. So everything is all falling accordingly. Okay, so that is how to convert DWG AutoCAD drawing into KML using the AutoLisp command. All right, so guys, if you find this video helpful and educative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon and turn on your notification to keep getting valuable tutorial from this channel freely. So I'm just going to quickly change the color to something more visible. Okay, so that shows it. So that is how to convert AutoCAD DWG to KML. See you in the next video.